Oh, okay, I did not expect that.
Tíralo para atrás, sí. Por ese camino me fui, aunque no sé qué voy a conseguir. Pa'lante tengo que seguir. Baila como quiera para
Back to my channel. My name is Bella, the Queensstash owner, CEO, Presidente. Hello. And thank you so much for coming into my channel. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please go hit that subscribe button, because we're going to be having a lot more entrepreneur vlogs and just helping you with more tips on how to start a business if you are starting a business, or just in general you just want to watch my videos because they're pretty satisfying. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. I'm going to be demonstrating you how I make my lip glosses. I'm actually wearing one right now. It's called Strawberry Kiwi, and this is for me, my personal one, and I love it. It smells amazing. So stay tuned and see how I make it, and just a little behind the scenes, you know, just to get you more familiarized with the Queensstash. So let's get going on to the next video now.
Okay, baby, come roll this shit for me. Baby, come roll this shit for me. I need my lady to roll this shit for me. Lady to roll this shit for me. Because she more time. Shawty said she more time. Show them that you more time. Okay, baby, come roll this shit for me. Baby, come roll this shit for me. I need my lady to roll this shit for me. Lady to roll this shit for me. Because she more time. Shawty said she more time. I show them that you more time.